What time? Time. What time?
11:40 a.m.
11:40 a.m. Do you study?
Oh, okay. I muted him for me. Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from?
Hang on a second.
Where are you from?
Speak English? Well,
Yeah? Can you speak English?
I'm from Australia.
Australia. Yeah,
Do I or do you?
I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh.
India?
Yeah, I'm
Do you
from
click India?
India, next to India, close to India. Next to India, close to India.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Are you from Sydney? Australia,
You're very echoey.
Are you from
Very
Sydney?
echoey.
Sydney. Are you from Sydney?
You're like cutting out quite a lot.
Are you from Sydney, Australia?
I did follow you back, didn't I, Bob? Sorry, I thought I did.
Please listen.
Oh, no, I didn't.
Are you from Sydney?
Sorry, apologies. Who the heck did I follow then? I followed somebody else.
You cannot hear me. You cannot hear me.
I can't understand you, I'm sorry. You're very echoey.
Oh, already followed you.
Echoing.
Already followed you.
Can other people hear? Thank you, Golden Kai. Thank you very much. Is he echoing for everybody else or is it just me?
What time is it now in Australia?
I'm okay.
What time?
I've got a migraine.
What time is it now?
Making it a little bit harder.
What time is it now in Australia?
I am from Western Australia.
What time? Time. What time?
11:40 a.m.
11:40 a.m. Just here in our country, Bangladesh, 9:40 a.m. Just early in the morning. Early in the morning
Lordy,
here.
I can't.
Yeah, really.
Hear you. It's very bad signal.
Uh,
Thank you, Golden Kai. Thank you so much.
Are you a student or do you study? Are you a student? Do you study?
I can't hear you.
Do you study?
Oh, okay. I muted him for me. But does that mean it didn't mute for you?
Why have you
I
muted?
can't hear you, I'm sorry.
Why have you muted me?
Thank you so much, Golden Kai.
Why have you muted me? But why? Why have you muted?
Thank you. Yes, it's mute me then. That's better. Sorry, mate. Sorry, Zakaria.
Are you from Sydney?
Sorry.
Are you from Sydney?
That side. Western Australia. I'm from.
Western.
I'm going to Melbourne in December.
Oh.
Start of December. I'll be in Melbourne. I hope the weather's good. Because I don't want to waste a week of good weather in WA if Melbourne weather's going to be crap.
Actually, how old are you at present?
Hey, Fido.
How old are you?
How has it been in the fam? Drunkle? Is it good?
I'm 30. I'm 30.
I wonder if he thinks that I'm still talking to him.
No.
I'm just going to pretend.
I didn't meet.
I have been to Melbourne before, yes. A few times.
I didn't meet
actually
with them.
been quite a while since I've been to Melbourne.
With her.
Maybe.
Yeah, really.
Ooh, when was the last time? Wow, I think maybe 2016 was the last time I went to Melbourne.
Actually,
That's good, Drunkle. Have you started on your slushies yet today?
what is the difference between American accent and Australian accent?
Maybe
Please?
we can. I will be over there for work.
Yeah.
So
What is the
it
difference
just
between?
depends on my schedule and whatnot. It's pretty hectic when I go over for work.